progressives is at 666. I put $200 in the machine. Hey, look. I haven't played Tiki Fire for a minute. Alright. Let's do a 250 and hopefully we can hear. Oh, there's no sound on this machine. I do not like that. I guess you guys get to hear me breathe. Oh, this sucks. One more? I'm not liking this no sound. I don't know why they turn it down. Good numbers too. One more, yes. Thank you. At least I got a decent bonus. No sound. So just, I don't know, imagine the sound or enjoy the music in the background. Thank you. Nice. Alright, anything. Ooh, I really thought I had that. Nice. I can't even, I don't. I'm sorry, I don't I sound like a doofus right now. Okay. It's not even playing the music where I hit something big, so. There we go. Don't judge me. Alright, we're gonna do a couple more. Or, I don't know, I guess you guys want to watch me play. I was gonna cash out at 300. Wow, I can't even talk. Two more. I'll probably put $100 back in there. Alright. Alright, I'm back. I put $100 in the machine. I cashed out at $371. That was continue. They got some decent balls dropping. Like decent fireballs. Well, you know what I mean. Decent numbers. Yes. Come on. Gotta end it with a bang. I guess $7. I don't know what happened. Oh, okay, cool. Just gotta switch hands real quick. One more. Ooh, on a $5 bet too. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about right there. Let's go. Trigger? Ooh, oh my gosh. Why didn't you just connect? Okay, the butterflies. Nice. I forgot about the fireballs. Alright, not bad, not bad. Alright, back up spin. Oh, good. Come on, come on, come on. Woo. Don't tease me like that again. Tiki bar. I'm gonna go down to 150, and if I get another bonus, I will come back. Okay. I'll keep going until I get down to 150. Do one more spin. All right. once again. Yes. This is good. It is. Bam. What? Nice. I'll do a backup spin. I'll go down to 200. One more. Cash out. I'll put a new bill in there. There's the progressives. Alright, I cashed out. Put a fresh bill in there. Do a nickel bets now. I'll just go down to $50 for you guys. On $1.25 too. One more. Video might get copyrighted just because of the song. Ooh, I was just about to say that was my last spin. Come on, let's get any colored balls. Yeah. These are some decent numbers. Thank you. Through back spins. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm doing $2.50 and $5 bets. I got one on $2.50. Decent numbers. look at this. This is some bull, man. I'm gonna go one more round for you guys. Okay. This was my last spin. Nice. One more. Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh. I don't get much luck. What, 750 bets. Hopefully this is good. Line it up. Yes, yes. I didn't play the music. Come on. Sorry, accidentally pushed the button. It was $55.50. Do another one. Alright, one more spin. Look at the numbers right here. Okay. So this was my lucky chance spin. And yeah, that sucks. I just need one more.